Good afternoon, traders. This is Stevenson Lindor going over the weekly outlook, and just want to cover some major pairs to look out for and see how we can profit in the market. Okay, so it's going to be a quick video, straight to the point, just covering all the major pairs and what's the best setups for you guys to get in. All right, so starting with all the euros. Okay, we have Euro USD on the daily here. After this big drop, market expect price to come near this demand zone right here. Right, we're gonna put our demand zone. Boom. Let's go on the daily, draw a trend line. Actually, the 4-hour trend line, and we will wait and see. So if price breaks below this daily zone around 1.15047 and closes, wait for a flag, wait for the pullback, and then look to sell. Boom. All right. If not, price will probably come down here around this range and reverse and break out back up to 117,300, possibly 118,500. All right, that's Euro USD. Euro JPY. Boom. So again, 2 weeks ago we had the big drop. Last week was trend continuation. This week we should see price finally see if it's gonna break this support down here. So on the daily, price come down. It's gonna do one or two things. It's gonna either reverse, kind of like how it did here, around this range, come up, and maybe come down even up to here and come back up. That is a possibility. What we need to see is a strong, impulsive move to the downside. So if we want this to break, it has to break. We need a strong candlestick to break this area, close below 13142, come down here, create a flag, wait for the pullback, and then boom, look for the sell. If not, again, price can come down here, hit this demand zone, and reverse and go back up to 131. You would either want to sell here or wait for a pullback to sell. Do not sell once price comes to this demand zone. All right, this is a bad area because you sell right here, price can easily reverse, and then you caught yourself in a bad predicament. All right, wait for confirmation. Wait for a strong bearish candlestick to break this zone. Right, close above, close. The body of the candlestick needs to close below this area. Wait for a flag, and then look to sell again. All right, that's Euro JPY. Okay, Euro odd, same thing, same exact thing. You guys see the pattern? Had the epic drop 2 weeks ago, right here. Price created flag, continuation, create another flag. Now we should see the break of this. This is what I want to see. Break of 151,005. Price can break through here. Price can come down to this zone, 147.98. Again, wait for price to break through here. Wait for a pullback. Come back here, and then look to sell. All right. Take profit will be around this range. This is the next demand area. All right. Euro Great Britain. Okay, so Euro's been dropping for a while now, since August, right? Made about a 500 pip drop, came back up, created a big flag on the higher structure, daily, right? We go on the 4-hour, came up, boom, came down, could not break the zone. After last week's Great Britain news, price finally broke out of this trend line. So wait for a pullback here, flag being created. This is not really a sell. This is a setup for the next move up. All right. Take profit 0.90300 range. All right. You can see that every time price goes on a downtrend. See this, these are flags. There's a flag being made. Wait for it to break out. Once it breaks out, you can look for a take profit all the way back up to 90200. All right. Euro Swiss franc. Same thing. All the euros are doing the same thing. Right now they're dropping, and they're about to get to an area where two things can happen. Either it's going to break through and continue dropping, or it's going to reverse and go back up on an uptrend. All right. So now we got price coming down. Watch for area around here. 1157 right? Either price will come down here again and reverse back up, but ultimately you're looking for a sell all the way back down here. This is your move. You want to catch this move. This is your sell. All right. And Euro New Zealand currently in the sell right now. You need to see this break. If not, price can come back up here. We would want to sell at the top at 169 even. If not, with news coming, we should see this breakout move to the downside. So I'll go down to the 1 hour. Actually, based off of what my take profit is, yeah, we can slide this down just a little bit. There we go. That should move. Well, we want to watch it around 67,800. We need price to break down here. Close below here, create a flag, and then look to sell. Take profit range would be around here, anywhere from 166 to 165. All right, that's a good range to take profit before you see any type of reversal. All right. And last but not least, EuroCAD. So as you can see, EuroCAD, same thing, it's dropping. We took this trade last week, caught it, got in some nice sells. This demand zone right here. You want to watch this. All right. Go on 1 hour. Right. One or two things gonna happen. Draw a trend line, right? Confirming the trend. Once price stays in this demand zone, expect a reversal back up. If not, and it breaks this demand zone, expect further move to the downside, coming all the way down to 144. This is the next demand zone. All right. So don't sell now. If you haven't gotten to sell last week, like a lot of us did, then wait for a flag to be created, then look to sell. All right. With all the euro pairs. All right, boom. We got Great Britain USD. So all the Great Britain pairs, if you notice, right, kind of like the euro, it had 2 weeks ago had the epic news, caused all the euros to drop. Last week they were all pretty much consolidating, creating flags. So expect this week for the Great Britain pairs to create flags, right? So you shouldn't be getting in a sell. Wait for a flag, let price come up, let it create a flag, and then look for the downtrend. All right, same setup. All the Great Britain pairs are doing this right now. All right, Great Britain USD, GJ is doing the same thing, creating a flag. All right, for the flag to come up, let it scale up there, and you're gonna wait for the breakdown. Once this breaks out, boom, this is your move. All right, expect price to come to this demand zone right here. All you have to do is look left, right, because this is where price struggled. Such a nice demand zone right here. So you got a nice 200, 300 pip moves coming up for a lot of these Great Britain pairs. So I would look to get into Great Britain. All right. Great Britain odd, same thing. Flag is almost done. This is going to be a nice move. Let it scale up, same thing. Eventually, you're going to get this. this move down here. All right. So on this 4-hour, write it down to 166, somewhere around there. Pip move, close to 500 pips. It's a nice setup right there. Definitely look to get into GA if you can. Great Britain Swiss franc. I'll be looking to get into this pair. It's one of my favorite pairs right here. And same thing right there. It's creating a flag. So watch it on the 4-hour, 1-hour. Right? Let it come up. Let it come up some more. Got some room, right? Got strength here. And then right, let it come up. And then look for the move to the downside. Right here. All right. Don't miss these moves. Don't miss this move. These are great moves. About to happen. Another 300 pip move. Right? Boom. As you can already see, it's the same pattern, guys. Same pattern. They're all doing the same thing. Great Britain CAD is not really done with flags. Being done right now. See how this flag came up? It retraced and then dropped. Same thing here. It's gonna come up and then drop. Look for the sell. So look for something like this, and then look to sell to around like 164, 163. All right, that's a lot of move. It's a lot of pips right there. Great setup right here. All right, another over 300 pip move. Okay, and that's all the Great Britain pairs. And Great Britain, New Zealand, same thing. As you can see, guys, they're all doing the same thing. So flags are being created. So there's nothing you wanna, no need to jump in. Just let it come up. Don't be confused by these bearish candlesticks. They're gonna scale up, and then make their drop. All right. This is another good move right here. You want to grab this. This is 700. This has the most potential. Great Britain, New Zealand. If you look at the weekly outlook, right, went above. Now it's coming down, right? You can hold this for a long time and catch a lot of pips. So it's creating a flag on the bigger time frame. So let it come up, scale down, and then boom. Now look for itself. This has the best potential out of all the Great Britain pairs. This can go down a lot. All right. Both the US pairs. All right, USD JPY. All right. Same thing here. Got the reversal coming up. Destroy this trend line. You can do one or two things. You can either wait for this to come back up, then look to sell at this high up here, or wait for the break of the trend line. So draw a trend line on the 4-hour, draw a nice bounce. If it breaks below here, around like 113 range, not really about the price, it's more of the structure, what the price, what the market is doing as a whole. Wait for a flag, and then look to sell. All right, got a nice move here. Nice 100, close to 200 pip move to the downside. All right, USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc's been going on a major uptrend. Okay. Let's see. I'll draw my trend line from the low to swing high. This is the high from last week. So either wait for the break of the trend line or sell at the high around this price range. If it breaks, again, flag, look to sell. And if we're lucky, we'll get this move all the way back down here. It's around 97600. So that's a nice 250 pip move. All right. USD CAD, same thing. Wait for a flag. Don't get in this just now. Missed the down move already. If you didn't get in on Friday, don't jump in right now. Wait for a pullback. I would sell preferably probably around here. This little small demand supply zone. Wait for this. up, and then look to sell. Then look to sell. Sell back to like 124. Right? Got a nice 300 plus pip move there. All right. Euro JPY. Actually, I went over that already. GJ. And over AUD USD. So AUD USD, look at it on the weekly outlook. It's in a strong demand zone, right? Got this demand zone right now. That is 10 play with. Go down on the daily right here. So yes, this could drop more, but overall, because of where it's at, because of this strong move up here, I call this 400, maybe 500 pip move. Expect some retracement to happen on this pair. So let's go on the 4-hour, look for our entry, draw a trend line. Actually, I have to draw a trend line all the way from there. Draw a trend line from here. Price breaks out from this trend line, look for the retest, and then flag, and then look to sell back to 078. Nice 200 plus pip move right there. All right. So I just wanted to really cover the majority of the pairs and all the really Great Britain pair moves, right? Because those are going to set up for the next big waves. For the euro, you just want to wait for small flags and watch for those areas to break. If they do, that's your confirmation. You don't have to trade every single pair. Just trade the setups that you like. I just want to do a quick market overview of what's going to happen for the week. Hopefully you guys, pay attention, watch out for the moves, take your time, and profit well. All right. Thank you all for tuning in. Have a great day.